Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Shippo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website. Now in order to sign up, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner and you will be taken to the sign up page. Just type in your first and your last name followed by your email address that you wish to use for your account. You can then type in your account password within the password box and then choose your estimated monthly shipments. You can then click on Get Started and now you will be asked to choose your plan. After reading through the instructions, select your preferred plan and click on the next button. You will then be allowed to add your orders. You can choose the various different connections that are shown on which you wish to add your orders, or you can also click on Create a Shipment manually or upload a spreadsheet. After choosing your desired option, click on Next, and now you will be allowed to fill up your sender details. After filling up all of these information, click on the Next button, and you will be allowed to create your order details as well, which you can also skip if you don't wish to create them now. And now you have been signed up and your account has successfully been created on Shippo. In order to activate your account, log into the email address that you used while signing up and you will find an email from Shippo. Within this email, you will find the Activate Account button. Go ahead and click on it, and now your account will be activated successfully and you will be able to start using your Shippo account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.